So let's use OCA alignment mode for aligning OCA. Now let's slightly press down with a little power. Take off OCA plastic protective film. Clean off the dust on glass cover. Place the glass cover on the mold basement. Put into the screen with the aligning mode. Press the start button, it will be finished soon. Finish. We take out the mold and the glass cover. Now let's see the effect. Use LCD alignment mode for aligning the LCD. Put on the alignment mode on basement. Slightly press down the LCD, make it stable. Make sure the LCD is clean, so we need to clean the dust on the LCD. We use alignment mode for aligning glass cover. Take off OCA protective film cover. Now it's time to aligning glass cover and LCD. After aligning process, put it into the machine. Start the machine, it will be finished soon. Now let's see the final effect. It is perfect. Thanks for watching.